Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, the place where you get the latest scoop on upcoming car models from around the world. Today we're diving into something sleek, bold, and unexpectedly refined. The all-new 2025 Buick Regal. Buick has always had a reputation for blending comfort with class, and the 2025 Regal continues that legacy, but with a modern twist. This time, it's sportier, more tech-savvy, and ready to challenge the mid-size sedan market with confidence. Gone are the soft curves of the past. The new Regal wears a sharper, more sculpted design that instantly gives it a premium and aggressive look. The front grille is wider and more angular, flanked by LED matrix headlights that stretch out like blades. At the rear, you'll find a slimmer set of taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler, all sitting above a newly redesigned dual exhaust setup. Under the hood, Buick is expected to offer a couple of engine options. The base model may come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing around 250 horsepower, which is perfect for everyday driving with a little punch. But for those who want more performance, a V6 version or even a mild hybrid variant could be on the way. Buick hasn't confirmed all the specs yet, but insiders say the focus will be on both power and fuel economy. Step inside and you'll notice Buick's commitment to luxury is still alive and well. The interior of the 2025 Regal features a driver-focused layout with a wide digital dashboard, a floating infotainment screen, and a new digital instrument cluster. Premium materials are everywhere. Soft touch panels, available leather seats, and ambient lighting all create a relaxing vibe. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a wireless charger, a premium sound system, and enhanced voice command features. Buick has also upgraded its safety suite for 2025. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and Buick's enhanced autonomous emergency braking. With these updates, the Regal aims to offer not just comfort and performance, but also peace of mind on every trip. One of the biggest changes with the 2025 model is Buick's move towards electrification. While the Regal isn't fully electric yet, there are strong hints that a plug-in hybrid or even a full EV version could follow soon. Buick is making clear strides in that direction, especially with its plans to transition to an all-electric lineup by the end of the decade. So, whether you're a longtime fan of the Regal or just someone looking for a stylish and refined sedan, the 2025 Buick Regal is shaping up to be a solid contender. It blends traditional Buick comfort with modern styling and smart technology, giving drivers a fresh option in the crowded sedan space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Future Cars Updates for more deep dives into the latest and upcoming car models. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Regal. Is it the comeback Buick needed?